So it's no more a secret that the Galaxy Note 10 will admire the S10's look, and while we're still months away from this flagship, Phone Arena has published some very good looking renders of this upcoming phone. As you can see, the renders imagine Note 10 to be like S10 5G variant but with the S Pen. We do have the headphone jack at the bottom, and when we talk about the design, the renders may go in a different direction, as Ice Universe says that there's a very good possibility of the Note 10 to admire a single hole at the front which will be smaller than the Galaxy S10. It's still an early info, so I don't think that we should come to some conclusion. But yeah, if it's gonna happen by any chance, the Note 10 will look far better than the S10. We will get big display with a smaller hole and obviously a higher screen to body ratio. The Galaxy Note flagships always maintain a good position in the market, but this information may relate to the Note 10, and maybe there's a Note 10 5G variant in making which should look like these renders. Now, the Galaxy S10 is a very good phone for its cost. Samsung has made right decision for its impressive trio of 10th anniversary smartphones. But again, we have a bad side too. A teardown by Tech Insights has revealed that Samsung cut a significant corner with its entire Galaxy S10 range, that is performance. All three S10 models are fitted with 3-year-old UFS 2.1 storage, despite UFS 3.0 being twice as fast, commercially ready and launching in premium smartphones from April. The Samsung Galaxy Fold will have it, and the phone launches on April 26, just 7 weeks after the S10. So without getting involved in this whole story, I just want to say that if you want to experience speed, then wait for the Note 10, as the upcoming flagship will get UFS 3.0 as an upgrade. You know how it actually marked difference? And for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.